The Alpha Glam. My name is Adekunle, a lawyer by day and a pro makeup artist by passion, and also your go-to person for everything skincare, makeup, beauty, gele, and lifestyle. If you're all about great vibes, skincare, makeup, beauty, lifestyle, gele, you're definitely in the right channel. And guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how I achieved my beautiful head wrap and also other styles. So today is first Sunday and I just decided that, oh, what day will I be dressed like this and I'll have this makeup on again. It might be, I don't know, probably till June. So I just said, okay, let me just show you how I got this head wrap and also probably add some additional bonus styles to this video. So I really hope you enjoy watching this video and I hope you learn a thing or two. And I also hope that when you tie the gele, you tag me, or when you tie the head wrap, you tag me in your videos. I would love to see your recreation, guys. So I really hope you enjoy this video, and if this is something you like to watch, kindly keep on watching. So first of all, I would like to pack my hair together. This is to allow me to be able to tie the head wrap effectively. So this is the head wrap I'll be using. It is quite very long. This is very long. I don't know why it is this long, but thankfully, like I always say, what you need for your head wrap or your gele to make it look very nice and recreate styles that you like to have on your head is the length. So this length is just fantastic, even though sometimes it can give you issues, but when it gives you issues, you just have to divide it. When you divide it, you still get what you want. So I hope that is clear and that note is taken. Yeah, so right now I'll just be doing this. I'll be folding it properly. I'll be folding it 3 times. So I'll be folding the width 3 times. So you just want to make sure it is neat. It just makes everything you want to do easier. So right now I'll be putting it at the back of my head. Then you want to make sure it is equal. Then you put it on top. I might not be able to talk again, so just follow me. Twist it once, you twist it the second time, then you bring it down. Can you see? You want to make sure it is neat at the side of your head. Then you take it here, just where this is, and you tie. This is a style in its own way. If you want your head wrap to be loud and everybody should know that you have head wrap on, this is also a nice style that you can go for. Yes, but to make it neater, I'm sorry, this outfit that I have is not letting me use my hands properly. Yeah, so you want to spread it out. You can see, then you spread this one out also. Yeah, so just bring it out.
Then you go into a pin. You want to create a beautiful rose or a flower on top of the head, so you just use that pin to hold the first one, then you bring the second one into the first one and pin it all together. For people that have been watching my YouTube videos, I'm sure this will not be the first time they are seeing this style, but it is one of the easiest styles you can recreate using your head wrap. Yes, your Ankara scarf. Yes, right now I'm trying to pin it and also try to knitting it, because I've told you your neatness is all that matters. If you are neat with what you are creating, your head wrap will look good. And yes guys, this is style number 1. Yes, And yeah, I forgot to talk. I knew it was going to happen because really I don't know how to walk and talk at the same time. Yeah, so I'm turning around so that you can see how it looks behind. Yeah, good. So we are done with that. I would now like to recreate another style using this same method. So instead of trying to create rows, I'll be lifting up these edges instead. So you can see I'll also try to pull it out. You want to bring out the excess, but instead of making a rose, I'll just be pinning it to the side. So you can see this is just to build height on it. So I'll just pin it to the side and do that for the other part too. I'll pin it both sides to what I have on my head here. So this is another style you can recreate also, and it's also very beautiful. Also try to use your hands to make sure it is neat. You can see the way I brought it forward. Yeah, so this is also a lovely style you can recreate.
This is our style number 2. Yeah, and it's really nice. It's lovely. Like, I like the way it's coming up.
Right now, I'll be recreating another style using this same method. Like I mentioned earlier, this head wrap is really long. So instead of probably just tying it at the back and making it end with this style, I'll just wrap the excess in front. But you want to make sure it is very neat. Just wrap it neatly. Yes, at the back of what you've done, then tuck it in and you're good to go. So this is another beautiful style you can recreate, and it looks really good.
Style number 3.
Yes, so enough gushing about style number 3. Let's recreate another style. So this, I'll be taking it from the back. You don't need it to be equal. Just make sure you are taking it from the back. And this is also another popular style on this channel. You have to twist and turn, twist and turn. Yes, right now I'll be turning this round. Yes, I'm turning it round till it gets to the end. Yeah, you can see. So once that is firmly tucked into the one I have done, I'll do the second one. And yeah, this is another style. Yes, so good. This is another beautiful, easy, very easy head wrap you can recreate for church or for your events. Yeah,
I love it.
So a little bit of dancing. Yes, this is how you feel when you have a beautiful head wrap on. And I'll just be turning so you can see the back. It looks good. If you don't have hair, you can cover your head totally and you still look good with it. Yes, so right now we'll be jumping into another style. Now I think I have lost count of the styles we recreated. And what I'll be doing here is just that same method, but I'll be tying it in front. Yes, but you don't want to tie it too tightly. I don't want to tie it too loosely. For mine, I think I was a bit on the loose side, so it just didn't allow it to be as tight on my head as I wanted it to be. So once you have done that, you will not tuck in the excess. You tuck it into that place where you tied, like I am doing right now. So I'm just tucking in the excess into it. Yeah, then you tuck it till the very end, till it looks very good. Right now, you can also tuck the other one, but instead of doing that, I realized that what I have on my head is kind of loose. So just to make sure it feels tighter, I'll be twisting this. Yes, you want to twist it well. I will be using it as a band to hold the loose head tie. So this will just serve as an hold to it so it can grip properly. Yes, and which is what I am doing right now. So once I am done, I will try to extend the excesses on top. And yes, this is another beautiful style, as you can see. Yeah, but when you are making your own, try to make it tighter so that you can actually have it as firm as possible on your head. Yes, so just to recreate another style, I'll be twisting, then just turning this round the knot I have, and this is also to form a grip or an hold to tighten what I did earlier. So right now it is tight, it won't move, it won't bulge, and that is it. So I'll be pushing it to the side, and you can see it also looks beautiful. It gives this northern vibe to it. Yeah, so here's another style that looks good that you can recreate. I'll also be turning it to the back, and of course we all know these styles. Everybody styles something of this sort. Yes, this is the beauty of head wrap and creativity, the ability to be able to just form different things out of nothing. Yeah, so that is it for that. I'll be turning to the back, and you can see the knot looks good. Yeah, so right now we are jumping into our last style, and it is just the Zara cap that everyone knows. So for the Zara cap, instead of putting a paper or a cardboard or wherever in front, I believe that if you fold the front like 3 or 4 times, you get what you need. Yeah, so I folded that 3 times. Then right now I'll be making sure this length, this tip is neat enough. Yeah, so once it is neat, I'll tuck it behind and just tuck it into what I have before. And yes, that's the beauty. So Zara caps to give you that northern vibe. See, as I'm looking like a beautiful neat, beautiful northern lady. Yes, so guys, this is it for these videos. I hope you love the styles, you love the creation. Thank you very much for watching.
So guys, we have come to the end of this video, and I hope you love all the styles that I achieved with this head wrap. And one thing I need you to get clear is the fact that this scarf is very long. It is very long, and that is why I can achieve all these styles. So I'll need you to also get the long gele to be able to achieve all these that I created. I believe I have created something of this sort before on my channel. If you want to see, I will link it below so you can watch a more detailed video on it. Yes guys, so I really hope you love this video and you enjoyed every bit of it, and you would like to see more. You like to see more styles, can you drop your comments in the comment box? I'll be ready to create styles, more styles for you to see. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.